Hey everyone, Dan here at the OptiCoat Training Center, and today I'm going to show you the Instant Detailer of the Optimum line. And that product is called Instant Detailer and Gloss Enhancer. This product does exactly what the name is. It's a quick detailer, so fingerprints, light dusting, light little dirt, that you want to finalize that cleaning look and that appearance of your vehicle and enhance that gloss, this is the product that you're going to want to use. So this is going to be one of those products that you want to keep in your trunk because it's going to help with removing those pesky little smudges or help you enhance the overall little details of your vehicle that you forgot when you cleaned it. So if you're like me, you like products that simply do what they say they're going to do. And this product does it with the finer details and leaving a little nicer gloss left behind. So that's it, guys. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video.